if you are struggling with getting to product market fit and you just don't know how to reach it, you tried several things, you listened to podcasts, you went into coachings and all that things, but nothing worked, then this video is exactly for you. I'm a big visual thinker, so let me illustrate how it is for you right now, and then we will get to the point where you see how you can get to your desired goal to reach product market fit and above. So you are here. Excuse my drawing skills in advance, but that should be you. That's you. You have your product or service here in place, but it's not just there yet. So you didn't sell it to a big quantity of people. So basically, I would more call it an idea, a project, maybe a prototype. So this is here, and you want to go to here. That's the King's Crown, basically, where you sell to thousands of users, where you have high ticket, happy paying customers, where you have a continuous flow of new customers every single month who purchase your product and who have a need for your product, because that's about product market fit. And it's not just about creating a super cool product. It's about a product which gets used by people. So you are here with your product or idea and you want to get here. So basically here to here. But what happens here is you have a gap. You don't know how to overcome that, how to get here. And there are certain tools. Some of them are more pricey. Some of them are basically for free. And what we want to do is to teach you the most important things you need to know on your way here to bridge that gap. And in this video today, I will teach you one simple method which brings you a continuous flow of new customers, and then of course as well conversations with your target group. Because even though I guess you have a pretty good network, what most likely you don't have is an exponential network growth, so that you can basically only sell to your network and get there to the place where you say, okay, now we are at $1 billion valuated as a company. So I doubt that. How we want to go here? There are simple tools. But first I need to teach you that equation here. To bridge the gap, to get the first customers, you basically need leads plus stimulus plus CTA, that means call to action, plus need. And that is product market fit. Boom. Okay, what do the different kinds of things mean? Leads. What is a lead? A lead is someone within your target group. Let me make you an example. So basically, for example, you are selling B2B SaaS in the financial sector to help accountants save time. Who are your leads? Who are your potential prospects or your potential customers? That would be accountants, because you are selling software to save time for accountants. So those are your leads. Boom, check. Okay, what is the stimulus there? So because you have the lead, how do you get the lead to be interested in what you have to offer? So the stimulus could be a case study, statistics from McKinsey or whoever, which states that accountants could save 100% of the time by using X or Y. So use a stimulus to make them curious about what you offer. And what is important here, to many founders and executives I'm talking with, they think stimulus means pitching. No, don't pitch them right away. Set the stimulus and Make sure to catch them and not pitch. Just pitch when someone asks you actively, when a lead asks you actively what you're offering. So set the stimulus here. Then the call to action. What do you want from them? What you want from them is to hop on a quick 10-15 minute call to get a deeper understanding of the industry. And you can transform that basically knowledge call into a sales call. I will show you in one of the next videos how to do that. So you need a call to action when you're reaching out to them. And then of course you need a need. The need is very hardly connected to the lead because the lead needs to have the need. Very good to remember. So if you have all that in place, you will get customers and you will get to the point where you are at product market fit, which means you have a basically infinite amount of people inside your sales funnel and that you're selling, and people, leads, have the need because you introduced them to a stimulus and got them inside your funnel with the call to action. Pretty simple, right? And now you may wonder, but Moritz, how can I use that? That's very abstract. Yes, that is very abstract. And I'm going to show you now how you can use that in a simple and yet powerful strategy. So we first need to ask ourselves, how do we get leads? So basically leads you get from a platform, for example, called Apollo or LeadRocks or however you want to name the platform. Here you can basically type in all the different kinds of filters for your lead, for your ICP. So let's get back to that example. You are selling B2B SaaS software to accountants to save time. So who are your leads? Your leads are accountants. You can type in all that data here and find that leads. I also have another video which I will link down below on how to use Apollo that you don't struggle with anything around it. Okay, so we got the lead part, which is something like Apollo, or just to be fair, let's just say lead scraping tools. And then how are you going to use the leads inside here? Like how you can show them your stimulus and how you can push them through your CTA to book a meeting with you and to purchase your solution. And that's the golden grail to get to product market fit, because you can reach all those leads via email. And not just a spammy email which lands in your inbox every single day. We're going to write and craft the perfect cold email for you. So we are using cold email to get to product market fit. Let me show you how. So after you got the leads, you get a cold email tool. For example, like Instantly. So, hope you can read that. Instantly, Smart Lead, Slam List, however you want to call them. Then, it's time to upload those leads. After you uploaded them, it's time to write the copy and to introduce your stimuli. And inside that email copy, you insert your CTA. So then, you have that should be an envelope. You have your cold email ready to get delivered. Then you send it out, you burst it out to all those leads you scraped here. And then you get answers. You get positive answers. You will get a boatload of negative answers. You will get all the different kinds of answers you can imagine. And then here you can see the need. My guess is if this part is right here, 95% for sure you will see the need, or you will not see the need. Then you need to adjust your stimulus and your call to action. Or even like when you try different kinds of campaigns, sending out to thousands of people and changing that from campaign to campaign to see how the need gets influenced. I recommend you at a certain point, try and play around with the leads. Maybe accountants are not the best target group. Maybe lawyers are. Maybe entrepreneurs, which are struggling with their payroll, for example. So play around with that. And then you will get to the point where you get the need, where you get positive answers. Bam, bam, bam. And people are like, yes, I want to book a meeting with you. Yes, that sounds interesting. And then you are close to product market fit. You're not there because you need to use that knowledge here and you need to put in the perfection of it. So it's a feedback loop. When this is positive, don't change here. Just increase volume of here, send out more and get even more approves. If this is not good, if you get a boatload of no's, then this is a feedback loop. First, change stimulus and call to action. Then continue the circle. If you still get no's, then move one step further and play around with the leads. And then after, well, that got a little messy now here. I tried to reset a little bit. And then when you got here to the point where you get good answers, where you get positive answers on your outreach, you will hop on a call with them. Call. You will have a sales script in place. I'm also going to teach you how you can write the perfect sales script. But for now, let's just focus on that process here. So you will take them on a call. And then after that call, you have either a yes, a closed deal where someone showed the intent and not only showed the intent, but also purchased from you. So you have either the good answer or the bad answer. Both answers are good for you because if you got a bad answer, that's okay. Then you can ask yourself again, okay, how did the call go? How was my sales script? And then it's an iterative feedback loop again. When the answers, most of them are positive, then you get better and better and better and better. And when you get better and better and better, you get to product market fit. So pretty easy, isn't it? I just recommend you to play around with it. And the most important thing is do A/B testing. Test it out, test it around. And what is important here, never change a winning horse. And if you do so, do it in a separate campaign, but still let your winning horse run. Because if you change your winning horse, if you change your winning sequence, it's very likely that it will not get that successful. So when you found the right leads with the right stimulus, with the right call to action, with the right need, use it as long as you can, because those leads will bring you to the first stage of growth, to the first indicator of product market fit. What matters the most, don't get discouraged. Just keep going. And when you test things, then always change just one metric, because then you have significant data and you can work with that. So try it out, use it, and product market fit will come to you. I am certain of that. And in case you're then still struggling with getting more high ticket, happy paying customers for your company, then I have something for you. So there's a link down below. Make sure to click it and you will come to a funnel page. Also, full transparency here. The goal of that funnel page is that you book a meeting with me or one of our team members. Also, no worries if not. I just thought it might be valuable if you're still watching that video and if you're still struggling with getting more customers and reaching product market fit. Other than that, if you like that video, there's a button. You know which one. Make sure to smash it and I see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, have a blessed day and see you there. Bye bye.